takes special skills to transform the ordinary into extraordinary. For us, that's just another day at work. Ultra Foil, the preferred choice for supplies of Elu foils and tropical blister foils worldwide. Established in 2014, our relentless focus and unswerving commitment to quality at affordable cost is the secret of our success. A goal achieved through intense automation and research while implementing the finest manufacturing techniques. Our product line spreads far and wide. Key highlight being cold formed OPA, AI, PVC sandwich foil for blister packs. Used for pharmaceutical blister pack applications because of their inherently superior advantages. Aluminium, even in micron thickness, is the best vapor and light barrier besides providing aesthetic shine for pharmaceutical blister packs. Ultra Foil Elu foils are a class apart. 100% barrier to moisture, air, gases, light. Maximum fracture-free forming capabilities ensure zero defect. Superior process results in long-term delamination resistance. Wide range of color and print options. Superior forming characteristics. Excellent thermal stability. US FDA approved. Active Drug Master File. God is in detail. We agree. Rigorous quality checks, highest quality raw material. Complete manufacturing process from 2-layer coating, heat process in the oven to cutting through slitting machine and final packaging. Highest order of cleanliness and hygiene is maintained in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. Advanced Air Handling Unit is a reflection of our commitment to quality. We are recognized on global benchmarks for our quality standards. Ultra Foil is proudly certified by GMP, ISO 9001, 2008 and DMF. Why choose Ultra Foil? The most rigorous quality checks at all stages to ensure peace of mind and guaranteed risk-free use. Maximum protection and extended shelf life. Consistency, reliability and affordability. Packaging can be purely functional, but we go a step further, adding aesthetic dimension while taking care of hygiene. We bring value addition and brand enhancements for our much valued clients. And our footprint is ever expanding globally. Ultra Foil is committed to upholding standards across all our specialized packaging inputs, helping pharmaceutical industry in India become a global leader. If we excel today, we aim to do even better tomorrow. Ultra Foil.